We've brought together a number of corporate accelerator partners, corporate innovation teams, venture capitalists, and a number of Fintech startups. We have brought them here tonight in order to provide them with a power-up. The Future of Finance Challenge is designed to call Fintech startups, and this is supported by a number of companies and organizations that are really important to this particular vertical. IBM are obviously a very key partner in this program.
IBM has always been really passionate about working with developers and startups for a really long time, and Bluemix has really given us the opportunity to talk to startups at the very start of their business journey, rather than wait until they're already scaling and growing.
The value IBM Bluemix brings is basically it's a platform as a service. It means that startups are able to develop their apps very quickly. So what Bluemix allows you to do is not only you can get your hands on the actual bare metal computer, but you won't have to set it up either. If you want to deploy a Node.js application, you can just hit the button and it goes. If you want to use Watson Analytics, natural language processing, as my colleagues demonstrated, all you have to do is just sign up for the service, and you don't have to spend your time thinking about which machine learning algorithms you're going to use. You don't have to worry about training the entire system on the data set. You can simply hit the button and go. So it's all about rapid delivery, getting the product out there, and being able to very importantly, as obviously it is the case in startups, making sure you can get your minimum viable product developed quickly, so that when you go for extra rounds of funding, you're going to be able to have something which you can actually show and actually works without having to spend an awful lot of time setting up configuration and doing an awful lot of things you would if you just rented a bare metal server, for instance, and having to install the software from scratch. IBM Bluemix just gives you all of that out of the box. Just press a button, go, and you're done.
By being at events like this one at WeWork, organised by Venture Spring, Bluemix provides that ability to understand how easy it is to access the value that can be made available from the different APIs that are made through the Bluemix catalogue. The other great thing about events like this is you've got great networking, you meet different people from different backgrounds.
So we provide some funding for companies, but we look to the private sector to provide the other half typically. So the connections that you're making here between the startups and the big companies like IBM are really, really important. So it's very, very complementary to what we do.
We started as an investment company that is good in technology, but our vision is to become a tech company that will be good in investments. So meeting fintech companies is one of our priorities because we're planning a series of acquisitions in the next months. That's why I'm here, to meet teams with promising products, with promising teams, with the culture that we are searching for, to make things happen.
Today's event was really helpful in a few ways. One, it was really great from a networking perspective. We met tons of other startups, potential investors, and also people from companies that we would like to continue working with, whether it's IBM or NatWest or what have you. The other thing which was great was just being able to have a little time out of the office, which is always great for a startup entrepreneur.
So as a bank, it's about really supporting entrepreneurs. So banks have a perception which we're really trying to change. We're not great at innovating as an organisation, so we really want to understand the mindsets and behaviours of entrepreneurs. We have a lot to learn. What we've done is we've powered a company called Entrepreneurial Spark, who are a social enterprise in their own right. We power them by using our knowledge, our expertise, our know-how and our connectivity. We've opened up locations in our buildings to really support entrepreneurs to get the best out of them to build backable, credible, scalable businesses. I think when you look at the challenge overall and you look at the partners that put a wraparound around that, there's a lot of expertise there to really help these businesses, to help them move forward and grow. We're going to have challenges, we're going to have issues that are coming down the line, and we're not always best served to actually answer them all the time. So what we do is we look at ways of incorporating that with entrepreneurs, and things like the Big Challenge is a way of actually getting the best of the best from that to bring in and see what we can do.
I haven't applied to the Future of Finance Challenge yet, but I will be doing so as soon as I get home tonight.